Have you ever wondered why, with just a little hot water, these dry noodles can transform into something so springy and delicious as if they were freshly made? What secrets are hidden behind this colorful packaging? Are there any mysteries inside an instant noodle factory that few people know about? Join us on a fascinating journey, where ordinary flour transforms into golden noodles, where the production speed will leave you in awe, and where every step in the process holds secrets you've never heard of before. Imagine holding a pack of instant noodles in your hands. But before it becomes those golden, wavy strands, everything starts with some very simple ingredients: flour, water, salt, and vegetable oil. Sounds basic, right? But the perfect formula behind these noodles is not as easy as you might think. The mixing ratios must be precise to the gram to ensure the best elasticity. And here's a little-known secret ingredient that makes the noodles extra springy: quinoa. But what exactly is quinoa, and why is it so important? Now, let's look at the most critical step: kneading the dough. This is the heart of instant noodle production. Plain flour alone cannot become perfect noodles without undergoing a specialized kneading process. High-powered mixers don't just combine the ingredients. They also create the perfect texture by stretching the gluten strands, giving the noodles their signature elasticity. Without this step, the noodles would fall apart the moment they hit hot water. But wait, from this soft, smooth dough, an incredible transformation is yet to come. The noodles we eat every day don't just appear by themselves. They must go through an incredibly precise and rapid shaping process, so fast that even humans can hardly keep up. Let's continue exploring. Imagine a huge slab of freshly kneaded dough. It is now about to go through an impressive transformation. Giant rollers gradually thin out the dough, little by little, until it reaches the perfect thickness. But why is this step so crucial? It's this rolling process that ensures the noodles maintain their signature chewiness after cooking, instead of turning mushy. This is an art of precision. Now, these dough sheets face their next challenge: being cut into strands. With ultra-sharp, high-speed blades, hundreds of noodles are sliced in mere seconds. But here's a secret: the thickness of the noodles determines their cooking time. That's why every brand has its own unique cutting formula to create a signature taste and texture. But that's not all. These noodles can't just be left randomly on the conveyor belt. They must be precisely shaped to fit inside cups or packets. This is a critical step. If the noodles are too long or too short, they won't fit the packaging properly. That's why factories use specialized molds to shape the noodles to a standard size, making your cooking experience as convenient as possible. Have you ever wondered how instant noodles can be stored for so long while keeping their texture intact? The answer lies in two crucial steps: drying and deep frying. This is the secret behind why you can enjoy noodles instantly just by adding hot water. But how exactly does this process work? Let's dive deeper inside the factory. The first stage is drying. The noodles are heated at a precise temperature, just enough for the moisture to evaporate without losing their elasticity. If they're dried too much, they'll become brittle. If they're not dried enough, they won't have a long shelf life. This is why this step requires absolute precision. The next step is deep frying, one of the most crucial processes. As the noodles are briefly submerged in hot oil, tiny air pockets form on their surface. These air pockets are what allow the noodles to absorb water quickly when cooked, giving them that perfect chewy texture. But did you know? The frying time is only a few seconds. That's right, a few short seconds determine the entire quality of the product. Have you ever noticed the little seasoning packets that come with instant noodles? They are not just ordinary spices. They are the key to each brand's unique flavor. The ingredients inside are meticulously researched to ensure the perfect taste when combined with the noodles. Soup powder, oil, and dried vegetables are all precisely measured before packaging. Advanced technology ensures that every seasoning packet contains the exact same amount, guaranteeing a consistent taste in every single pack. Now, everything is ready. The crispy noodles, the flavorful seasoning packets, all are packed under strict regulations to ensure quality before reaching consumers. But before leaving the factory, every batch must undergo one final quality check. Before reaching you, every pack of noodles must pass through a strict quality control process. Experts evaluate the crispiness, elasticity of the noodles, the richness of the seasoning, and even how fast the noodles soften when exposed to boiling water. If a batch doesn't meet the standards, it is immediately discarded. This ensures that only the best noodles make it to consumers. Finally, these familiar packs of noodles are transported everywhere, from supermarkets to small convenience stores, ready to provide quick yet flavorful meals for everyone. So, we've taken you on an incredible journey, from simple ingredients to a perfectly packed noodle product. Now, every time you enjoy a bowl of instant noodles, you'll know about the meticulous steps behind their creation. Instant noodles are not just a convenient meal. They are the result of modern technology, creativity, and relentless efforts to deliver the best tasting experience for you. So next time you open a pack of instant noodles, remember, it's not just a meal, it's a magical journey.
Ever wondered why pickles are so irresistibly crunchy and flavorful? The secret lies in a seemingly simple yet crucial process, the saltwater bath. Let's uncover how fresh cucumbers transform into delicious pickles. The first step in pickling is soaking the cucumbers in brine. But this isn't just ordinary salt water. The brine is scientifically measured to the exact percentage, ensuring the perfect balance of flavor, never too salty, never too bland. This process doesn't just preserve cucumbers, it changes their cellular structure. As the cucumbers soak, water molecules inside are replaced with brine, making them firmer, crunchier, and packed with flavor. Timing is everything. Soak too long and the cucumbers lose their freshness, too short and the flavors don't fully develop. That's why every batch is carefully monitored to achieve the perfect taste and texture. The saltwater bath is just the beginning. There are still more intricate steps before these cucumbers become the ultimate pickles. Let's move on to the final stage. The cucumbers have soaked, achieving peak crunchiness. But how do these delicious pickles reach consumers while staying fresh and flavorful? Welcome to the final meticulous stage, packaging and distribution. Before packaging, every pickle undergoes strict quality control. Any that are too soft, too small, or oddly shaped are removed. Only the crispiest, most perfect pickles make it into the jars. Next, glass jars are sterilized with hot water and high-pressure steam, ensuring a bacteria-free environment. Each pickle is carefully arranged, making sure the jars are visually appealing when they hit the shelves. From fresh cucumbers on the farm to perfectly pickled delights, this journey is a testament to precision, innovation, and passion. Do you think pickles deserve their billion-dollar status? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating food journeys.